Hello friends, welcome back to Phone Edge in a video where I'll be addressing almost all the rumors, leaks and facts about the upcoming iPhone 12 series very soon. We are getting close to the launch of 2020 iPhones, which are expected in October 2020, but there are already dozens of rumors about the upcoming devices. We are expecting the 2020 iPhones to be called the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro if Apple allows the same naming scheme it used for 2019 iPhone lineup. The 2020 iPhones will feature major updates, introducing most of the first design changes that we have seen since the iPhone X was released in 2017. We are expecting 4 iPhones in 3 display sizes, which could be 5.4, 6.7 and 6.1 inches. Rumors suggest that 6.7-inch iPhone and one 6.1-inch model will be higher-end devices with triple lens cameras, while the 5.4 and 6.1-inch model will be lower-end iPhones with dual lens cameras and a more affordable price tag. All iPhones in 2020 are expected to feature OLED display technology regardless of price. There are rumors that 120Hz display could be included in the high-end iPhone 12 models, but more recent rumors indicate Apple will wait until 2021 to unveil the feature. At a rumored 5.4 inches, the 2020 iPhone 12 will be the smallest iPhone Apple has released since the 4.7-inch iPhone SE. At 6.7 inches, the 2020 iPhone 12 will be Apple's largest iPhone to date, topping the 6.5-inch iPhone 11 Pro Max. The two 6.1-inch models will be similar to a size in the existing iPhone 11. Design-wise, rumors suggest that new iPhones coming in 2020 will feature a significant redesign with a metal frame that's similar to the frame of the iPhone 4 or the iPad Pro. The iPhone 4 had a distinctive flat look for its stainless steel frame, which could be replicated in the new iPhones, bringing the design in line with the 2020 iPad Pro models. There were rumors indicating Apple will use a new true depth camera system that cuts down on the size of the notch on the front. But leaks are mixed on this subject, and it appears there will be a smaller notch on the 5.4-inch model, while the other models will have a notch that's the same size. There are also rumors of a 3D triple lens rear camera system that uses a laser to calculate depth information for objects in the room, improving both photography and AR capabilities. 2020 will be the first year that Apple introduces 5G support in the iPhone, allowing the new devices to connect to 5G networks that are much faster than 4G LTE networks. According to rumors, all of the iPhones in the iPhone 12 lineup will feature 5G connectivity, though it's not yet clear if all iPhone 12 models will have super fast wave support, and reports suggest wave speeds could be limited to the Pro models in certain countries. The iPhone 12 models coming in 2020 will use a Apple-designed 5nm A14 chip manufactured by TSMC. The A14 chip is expected to bring both speed and efficiency improvements that could bring small gains in battery life to compensate for 5G, which uses additional battery as well. Rumors suggest that Apple has no plans to include a power adapter or earphones in the box, with the iPhone 12 models letting the company cut down on production cost and packaging. Instead, Apple may offer a 20-watt power adapter that can be purchased separately. The USB-C to Lightning cable could get an upgrade, though the rumors indicating Apple's plan to offer a new braided cable design. This year's iPhone 12 models will not ship out in September as usual due to delays caused by the global health crisis. Apple instead plans to introduce the iPhones in October, perhaps on October 13, start shipping them out later that month. Rumors have suggested we can expect a staggered release, and some models might come out until November. So that's all I have about iPhone 12 series up till date. We will surely meet with the review of iPhone 12 after the release. Till then, stay tuned with Rahul on Phone Edge.